how realistic is it to become a millionaire? Well, for most millennials, it's insanely realistic. Just because of compounding interest, if you start early and start investing early, there's pretty much no reason you shouldn't be a millionaire. There's a lot of studies out there that basically show that, the common one is the $4 a day coffee. If you just save $4 a day, you'll be a millionaire as long as you invest that $4 million in compounding interest. By the time you retire, you'll be well into the millionaire range. So it's realistic for everybody anyway. But the big caveat here is time. Can you become a millionaire in a year? Absolutely, you can. There's lots of people that become millionaires in a year. For the average person, that's really hard because it takes a lot of work, a lot of ingenuity, a lot of risk. The easiest way to do that is via hard work, which a lot of people out there don't want to do. But if you're willing to put in the effort and the hard work, you can even become a millionaire within a year. The easiest way to do that is buying or starting a business, or buying and getting really good at real estate. Those are two easy ways to become a millionaire fast. Granted, don't buy into a lot of the get-rich-quick schemes with it, but there are ways to become a millionaire really quickly, and it is accessible for anyone, especially in the United States.